special day.
It's early morning and Hana is hard at work.
You're all done.
Thanks, Hana.
Bye-bye. Whew, I'm tired. It's been such a busy morning. Huh? And I'm all out of supplies. I'll need them for the afternoon. I know. I'll just ask one of the buses to take me to go buy some. Hey, guys! Huh? Where'd they all go? That's strange. They all should be off today.
Hey, Hana!
Huh? Hey, Nuri.
Good morning.
Huh? What's that on your face?
You mean this? It's nothing.
Okay. What brings you here today?
Oh, I'm off work today, so I wanted to get a checkup.
You're off today? Then, Nuri, could you take me into the city after your checkup is finished?
To the city?
I need to go buy supplies, but there's no one to take me.
Oh, well, then I can take you there.
You will? Thanks, Nuri.
After the checkup, Nuri and Hana went out to the city.
Oh, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything all morning. Chicken, pizza, burgers. Oh, it all sounds so good. Oh, Nuri, what's wrong?
Oh, I'm sorry, Hana, but I just remembered something urgent.
Oh.
Do you mind waiting here for a little while?
Here? Yeah, okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay. I wonder where she's going. I'm so hungry. Huh? Something smells good. Oh.
All right, come on.
What's that? Oh, wow. Hey, guys.
Huh? Hey, Hana.
What are you doing here?
We're helping a friend hand out free food samples.
You can have some too.
Samples? Oh, wow. Chicken, pizza, burgers. Golly, it's everything I've been craving. Oh,
That's great.
You can have all you want.
Thanks. I'll help myself. That was good.
Hana, sorry for making you wait.
It's okay. Thanks to you, I had lots of yummy food.
Well, that's good. Okay, we're here.
Thanks, Nuri. Now, let's get some shopping done.
Huh? Didn't you buy anything?
All the supplies I'm looking for are sold out.
Oh, no. What things did you need?
I need engine oil and cleaners.
Huh?
But too bad. Let's just go home.
Okay.
What am I supposed to do now?
Hey, Nuri.
Huh? Oh, hey, Shine. Where are you going?
Well, I have way too many maintenance supplies, so I'm looking for someone to give them to.
Huh? Maintenance supplies? Which ones?
Huh?
Huh?
Oh, hey, Hana. Want to take a little look? Now, are you ready?
Huh? Wow! It's engine oil and cleaners, and they're all top of the line.
You can take them if you like.
Really?
Of course. I wanted to give them away anyway.
Are you happy?
Uh-huh. Shine gave me everything I needed at the shop. I'm feeling lucky today.
That's great, Hana. Tayo, the little bus.
What a strange day today. Good things have been happening all day long. Huh? What in the world is that? Oh.
You are the 1 millionth person to have crossed this bridge. Yes, you are.
The 1 millionth person?
Look over there.
Wow!
Oh, I can't believe it!
Now we have a special present for you, being the 1 millionth person.
A present?
Right this way. Wow! Well, go ahead, Hannah.
Whoa! Oh! Whoa! It's beautiful!
Hannah! They want you to wear the dress for the pictures.
Huh?
Wow! Hey!
You look so pretty.
Really?
All right, now come stand over here.
Okay.
Now smile. 1, 2.
This looks great.
How was your day today, Hannah?
It was incredible. I've never had a day like this before.
I'm glad to hear that.
Oh, it's getting late. I hope no one's looking for me.
Don't worry. We're almost there.
Huh? Why are all the lights off? Huh? What's that? Huh? Hey, that's Air. I wonder why he's here. Oh.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Oh.
Hey, Rookie! Are you recording now?
Yes, I am.
Hey.
Shall we begin now?
Yeah! You're watching secret camera footage starring Hannah!
Huh?
Hannah has just left the bus garage, you guys. Okay, everyone, come on out. Okay, now we're going to build a special stage for Hannah. Rubby, you clean up the area. And then the construction crew can begin building the stage, okay?
We're on it.
Let's all surprise Hannah.
See you.
Rogi, is the food all ready?
All set. Chicken, pizza, and burgers. Right?
Yep.
Hannah's gonna be so full after this.
I got them, and they're all top of the line.
Wow, nice one, Shine.
Thanks.
Aw, we're still not there yet. We'll need another round.
But Taiyo, we've already been around 10 times.
Oh, sorry, Bong Bong, but I'm afraid we don't have very much time left. I really want to make Hannah the 1 millionth person to cross the bridge.
Okay,
Huh?
I'll stay with you, Taiyo.
Thanks, Bong Bong.
7, 8. Oh no, Taiyo! Looks like we're gonna be short 2 cars.
Oh, no! Oh, what should we do?
Don't worry.
Huh? We'll take care of it. Guys? All right! Nori, now!
Okay.
Oh.
Ah, so everything had been planned by the buses. But why have they planned something like this?
You guys. Huh? Oh.
Happy birthday, Hannah!
You guys. Wow.
What do you think?
you think of our present?
It's wonderful. I've been so busy I forgot it was my birthday. Thank you, everyone.
You're welcome. Thank you for always watching out for us and taking care of us, Hana.
We'll try not to cause any trouble.
And be good kids from now on. Me too.
Oh, guys. Tayo, Rogi, Lani, Gani, having met all of you is the best present I could ever have.
Oh, Hana!
All right, now let's begin.
Hannah's birthday celebration.
Today was a day that Hana would never forget. With the little buses as friends, every birthday will be special.